Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back on this Tuesday. Looking ahead to tomorrow, we've issued a first alert weather day primarily for the morning hours, as we're going to be replacing our fog and smog for some snow and wind. Here's the very latest. So tonight we're going to continue to see areas of fog and smog and reduced visibility, along with some fairly steady temperatures. But late tonight, we'll start to see some areas of light snow and even a little bit of wintry mix in the form of some freezing drizzle right along the North Dakota, South Dakota state line and into Lakes country. Meanwhile, there'll be another little weather wave along the international border, bringing some light snow. By tomorrow morning, expect some areas of snow, a little bit of freezing rain, some slick roads, and meanwhile, some fog still in parts of southeastern North Dakota. So be prepared for the morning commute to be a little extra slippery. It's already been very icy from our many recent days of fog and freezing fog. So adding a layer of fresh snow and a little bit of freezing drizzle is bound to make things slippery. Then we replace that with some northerly winds. That'll help to mix out some of the smog and fog and the nasty conditions we've been seeing over the last couple of days. Not expecting a lot of snow. Most of us around a trace to an inch. Isolated places might see a little higher than that, but most just enough to make things icy, along with some areas of spotty ice. Here's another look at that air quality alert. Unhealthy air quality continues right now through 6 p.m. tomorrow. But again, a note that there's no agency in North Dakota that issues air quality alerts, but our air quality has been impacted. Right now in Fargo, we're on the high end of that unhealthy orange category at 129 as of just a couple of minutes ago. Meanwhile, Grand Forks also in that unhealthy for some category. Those who are predisposed or have underlying health conditions is who it's impacting the most at this time. Here's what it looks like outside in Fargo. Foggy and smoggy. Same as it's been the last couple of days. Visibility has been low. We're now at a quarter mile for visibility in Fargo, around 3/4 of a mile for visibility in Moorhead. Wahpeton down to a half a mile at this time. Alexandria 3 miles, around 3/4 of a mile in Elbow Lake as well. Thief River Falls visibility only a half a mile, 2 miles in Grand Forks. So many of us have been impacted. Satellite and radar shows mainly cloudy conditions along with the fog, but here's what we're watching that will be moving in late tonight. Right now it's down in South Dakota. It's going to be trekking up into our neck of the woods by tomorrow morning, or by midnight rather, tonight and into tomorrow morning. And that secondary little place we're watching right up along the international border. Temperatures have been relatively steady this afternoon. We're at 33 in Baudette, the warm spot at this time, 30 in Roseau, 24 here in Fargo, 22 Jamestown, 16 in Oaks. Closer look at Fargo. Wind is light out of the south at 8 miles per hour. It does give us a feels like of 15 degrees. Tomorrow morning, we can expect temperatures to only drop a little bit, so waking up to mild conditions in the teens, and by the afternoon we actually stay fairly steady, but that northerly wind is going to help mix out some of that fog, improve our air quality, but it's going to feel a little cool with that northerly wind. Beautiful photos have been coming out of these frosty conditions. Check out this frosty forest in West Fargo. Thank you so much to Sue for the upload. Now for the rest of the week, first alert weather day tomorrow, primarily in the morning for some slick roads. Breezy Thursday, Friday, so it'll feel a little on the cool side with mornings in the single digits. The weekend looking warm. Bobby, I can see you're so happy to see a 30. Is that what you're excited for?
I am. The second it popped up, I was like, oh my gosh, it's there. You knew it too. So I've been saying, when are we going to get a 30 since I feel like the beginning of December?
Yeah.
And
well,
now we finally have a 30. It's like Christmas again for me all over. Yep.
It comes with cloudy conditions, but it's looking mild.
Yeah, definitely. All right. That's perfect to hear. Summer, thank you so much. We'll take a look at this also. Talk about a once-in-a-lifetime event, folks. NASA says that a glowing green comet will make an appearance for the first time in summer 50,000 years. This will have streaking tails of dust and could appear a little bit fuzzy. The comet will come closest to the sun on Thursday, but the closest to the Earth between February 1st and 2nd, so we do have some time to still see it. NASA says that sky gazers in the northern hemisphere should be able to see the comet in the morning sky throughout January, like we just said, and the comet was first discovered last March.
I'll try to forecast some clear nights and mornings. So
that would be awesome. Summer, thank you so much.